Hello, welcome back to Flora's Way. Today we have to show you something special, something foldable. We have MOZA Mini-S for review. First, we have the box. Let's see what's the box writing. We have foldable design, object tracking, phone camera control, portrait mode, one-button zoom and focus control, and easy to balance. Let's see what we have inside the box. We have manual. We have charging cable. We have camera control cable. We have our mini tripod. See? We have our pouch for the Mini-S. Okay. And now we have our Mini-S. The foldable design of MOZA Mini-S makes it easy to store and carry without taking up valuable space. An extremely foldable smartphone gimbal, which is supposed to make transportation easier, also claimed to have improved the design over previous gimbals to allow for a quicker and easier balancing and setup to give the user more time to be creative. Once the smartphone is mounted on the MOZA Mini-S, the two-tool adjustment algorithm can quickly set up the gimbal and balance to 3 axes without much intervention, saving you time and effort for filmmaking activities. Many features packed into the MOZA Mini-S smartphone gimbal include one-button zoom, focus control, and quick look-back playback to facilitate and simplify the operation even further. Using the handle to control the camera of your phone and being able to switch from landscapes to portrait mode for live streaming adds to the smooth, simple operation and design of the MOZA Mini-S. The MOZA Mini-S also boasts many cool shooting modes, including hyperlapse, slow motion, inception, sport gear mode, vertigo, and many others. You can easily customize your creative filming style and create smooth and stable videos, making your footage individual to your imagination. Let's see what the buttons can do when we connect it to the gimbal at the MOZA app. We have the down button here. If you double press, we have sports gear mode. If we have triple press, we have inception mode. Now we go at the left bottom here. We have follow function. Press once to switch on roll follow. Press once again to switch off roll follow. We have the trigger. Here back. Double press, recenter. Press once and hold, switch to tilt follow. Double press and hold, switch to all locate. We have the joystick. Move upwards, phone camera turns up. Move downwards, phone camera turns down. Move leftwards, phone camera turns left. Move rightwards, phone camera turns right. The speed of camera moving and crossing with the larger moving range of joystick. Here we have the battery level indicator. 3 blue LEDs is on, 70% or 100% battery level. 2 blue LEDs is on is 14%, 70% battery level. 1 blue LED on, 20%, 14% battery level. Bringing below 20% battery level. Solid red light, charging. Red light off, charging completed. Let's see a sample of the inception mode for amazing Dutch still shots. the Inception mode is my favorite mode of the MOZA Mini-S gimbal. Another mode that you can have with MOZA Mini-S is the motion lapse, which allows you to select multiple points and go from point A to point B. I try to capture motion lapse plans with the MOZA Mini-S. Let's see the assembly of advanced time lapse. Thank you, Gudsen MOZA, for this foldable and special smartphone gimbal.